What happens when you put good people in an evil place? In August 1971, a team at Stanford University, led by Professor Philip Zimbardo, decided to find out. They recruited 24 perfectly normal, healthy male college students for a psychology study about prison life. They were randomly divided into two groups, prisoners and guards. The plan was to run this simulated prison for 2 full weeks, but things went wrong fast. The experiment had to be shut down after just 6 days. Why? Because the students who were assigned the role of guards almost immediately started showing aggressive and abusive behavior. They took their authority to an extreme, harassing and psychologically tormenting the prisoners. The prisoners, in turn, quickly became passive, helpless, and showed signs of severe emotional distress. One prisoner even had a breakdown just 36 hours into the study. The situation got so out of hand that Zimbardo's own team had to intervene and stop the entire thing. The Stanford prison experiment became one of the most famous and controversial studies in the history of psychology. It showed just how powerfully our behavior can be shaped by situations and the roles we're given. It demonstrated that the line between good and evil isn't as fixed as we'd like to believe. The guards weren't bad people. They were ordinary students who were put into a position of power with no accountability, and it changed them. The fallout from this study was huge. It sparked a massive ethical debate about how psychological research should be conducted. Because of this experiment, and others like it, universities and research institutions all over the world implemented strict ethical guidelines to protect human subjects. No study like the Stanford prison experiment could ever be legally or ethically conducted today. Despite its dark legacy, the lessons learned were invaluable. The findings are still used worldwide in training programs for police officers, military personnel, and even teachers and managers. It's a powerful reminder of how authority can corrupt and how environments can influence our actions. The full study, along with detailed ethics reports, is publicly available if you want to dive deeper into the raw data and discussions. The Stanford prison experiment is a chilling chapter in psychology's history, but it's a lesson we all needed. It forced the scientific community to prioritize ethics and safety, making research safer for everyone involved. It's a stark reminder that understanding human nature sometimes means confronting its darkest possibilities. If you believe that ethics in science are crucial, give this video a like. And for more real stories from the history of psychology, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.